Welcome back to Rise and Capitalize. Let's grow your wealth. Most people think that making money online is a scam, but it's not. In fact, 1 in 3 millionaires built their fortune online, and with the internet growing at 33% per year, there are more opportunities than ever before. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 proven passive income ideas that will make you filthy rich in 2025. These ideas have been tried and tested by me personally, and I've gathered data from over 20,000 students to bring you the most up-to-date and profitable methods. So if you're ready to achieve financial freedom, then keep watching, hit subscribe and like button. Drop a comment below of your favorite passive income idea. Passive income idea number 1, sell educational content. This is one of the best ways to make passive income because you can create an online course once and sell it over and over again. In fact, the global online education market is worth over $300 billion and is growing at 5% per year. You can create courses on various platforms and reach a global audience. Number 2, start a membership website. This is another great way to generate passive income by providing exclusive content or resources to paying members. For example, you can create a website that offers tutorials, guides, or other valuable content on a specific topic. And the best part is that once you've created the content, it can be a source of income for years to come. Number 3, create and sell Notion templates. Notion is a popular productivity app used by individuals and businesses to organize their work and personal lives. You can create templates for things like project management, marketing plans, or financial budgets, and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. The demand for Notion templates is growing, and you can tap into this market by offering high-quality templates that solve real problems. Number 4, affiliate marketing. This is a popular way to earn passive income by promoting other people as products or services and earning a commission on any sales you drive. You can join affiliate programs and place their products or services in your content, such as blog posts or social media posts. And when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you'll earn a commission. Number 5, sell digital products. This is a great way to earn passive income by creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, graphic design templates, or website themes. You can use platforms like Gumroad or Sellfy to host and sell your digital products and reach a global audience. And the best part is that you don't have to worry about shipping or handling costs. So, there you have it. 5 proven passive income ideas that can make you filthy rich in 2025. Remember, these ideas require some upfront work, but once you've done the initial setup, they can generate income for years to come. And the most important thing is to choose an idea that you're passionate about so that you can stay motivated and committed. Good luck, and see you in the next video.